Hi, my name is Anshu and I am an IELTS trainer with more than 10 years of experience. What if I tell you that it is absolutely possible to score band 7 or higher in IELTS in just one attempt, and that thousands of my students have already achieved these results. They prepared for somewhere between 20 days to 2 months and got their target bands in just one attempt without going through the ordeal of endless preparation or multiple attempts that saved them lots of time and their money. If you want to achieve the same results, you must follow the exact same steps that were followed by these successful students. And as you are connected with me today, let me break down their preparation style in 4 simple steps for you so that you can achieve your target band in one attempt just like them. Firstly, these students had good communication skills, and if their communication skills were not good, they did not ignore the fact but they worked to improve them. By communication skills, I mean grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation and spellings. You must understand that IELTS is primarily a language test and you cannot score well if you do not possess the needed skills. Secondly, these students worked to develop their test skills by learning strategies from Success Azure that help them to improve their accuracy as well as efficiency. IELTS test contains a huge variety of question types in every section, and you cannot approach all these question types with the same mindset. If you do that, you will either have a very low accuracy or you will not be able to complete the test in time. In both the cases, you cannot score a high band in IELTS. On the other hand, learning strategies can help you solve even the most difficult question types with absolute clarity and without wasting much time. Because of these strategies, most of my students are able to score band 8 or higher, and they are also able to complete their reading and writing sections before time in their actual exam. There are 3 strategy-based online courses offered by Success Azure, namely IELTS Prime, Writing Prime and Speaking Prime. You can choose from these courses depending upon your requirement. There are 35 plus video tutorials in these courses which cover the strategies for each and every question type that you can ever come across in IELTS. But these are not just online video courses. In fact, we conduct multiple online live sessions every week to support you further. In these live sessions, we work with you to understand your problem areas, to solve your doubts, to help you practice speaking and to solve writing challenges together. The purpose of these live classes is to identify your weaknesses and convert them into your strengths so that you can achieve your target band in just one attempt. Throughout these courses, you are handheld and guided at every step of your preparation. Coming back to the third point that helped these students succeed in their very first attempt. They mastered the strategies learned in the courses by practicing assignments consistently. They studied for 1 to 2 hours every day without making any excuses. And they were so sincere in their preparation that if they were asked to complete one practice assignment, they instead completed 2. Last but not the least, these students prepared smart by enrolling for a good course and thus getting all the needed support to prepare for their exam at one place. They did not have to waste their precious time looking all over the internet for free IELTS lectures or free IELTS videos or any other IELTS related information. Moreover, they did not base their exam preparation just on free resources available on internet. And they definitely did not confuse themselves by following multiple IELTS trainers on YouTube. This is very important because you can either utilize your time by studying for your exam or waste it in exploring internet for free information. Both cannot be done efficiently and at the same time. The successful students utilize their time by focusing on their exam preparation with right resources. I beg you to understand that the free information available on internet is common, conflicting and confusing. It cannot help you to learn the exact strategies or the right test skills needed to solve IELTS exam accurately and with efficiency. Risking your exam preparation by preparing from free resources available on internet can actually prove to be very expensive if you do not achieve your target band in that very attempt. It can push you on the path to multiple attempts, which means incurring the cost of exam multiple times. At the end, I wish that you also achieve your desired IELTS band or even higher, just like my other students did. But for that, you need to take the right action. When you join any of our courses, I assure you that you will get all the needed support till the time you pass your exam. We'll work together as a team to help you meet your goals and get you success in IELTS.